Okay, I'm working on Pent-Up House, where it goes from the 2-5-1 in D for tenor, and then it'll do a 2-5-1 in C. So that's concert. Just go down the whole step if you want to figure it out in C concert. So it's a 2-5-1. And then it does a 2-5-1 to G major concert. So. So that's why it's really good to work on 2-5-1s, because those are like the framework for being able to play the bebop language. So it's good to have a lot of licks, 2-5-1 licks, under your fingers, just so you can get used to playing over those chord changes. Okay, so. So those are just 2-5-1s. So go. So I'm just linking those licks together. So I did an enclosure to lead into the minor third of the. So that's arpeggio. Those are just 1, 3, 4. What's that? It's actually 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11. But I did an enclosure on the third up at the top. But by the time I do that enclosure, it's not the third anymore. It's the 7th, because we go to G7. So, I'm on the G7. And then that's just linear, straight down. So that's just outlining that, Mixolydian scale. And I resolve it on actually, so at that point, that's another 2-5-1. So we go. Okay. So Pent-Up House. So I can't get it at that tempo yet. So I need to slow it down so I can hear my lines and connect my lines together. So if you enjoyed this video, we go into more detail. You can watch the rest of it if you join the mentorship program. It's something that we enjoy practicing every week. And so whatever I'm practicing on, I get a chance to share with you. And if you have questions or anything that you would like to practice on, we deal with that on Tuesday nights. And then on Thursday nights, we do a music business and marketing session where we explore different strategies and things that we're doing in order to make more money from our music and getting better gigs and different things like that. So it's a really cool environment if you want to go ahead and be a part of the Sound Musician mentorship program. Okay, so so hopefully I will see you on the inside. If not, you can definitely support the channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Always give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know your feedback on the content that I share here on the channel. So I really appreciate you, and I look forward to sharing more with you. All right, peace.